So hello everyone, this is Ali from Mitsubishi Pick Motors sa Ebad Santos, Manila. So for today's video guys, i-share ko lang sa inyo kung ano nga ba yung promo natin this month of August. So ngayon, nandito ako ngayon sa aming stockyard. So check lang natin kung ano nga ba yung mga unit na naka-zero down payment, merong mga free monthly amortizations. So tara guys, samahan niyo ako, check lang natin saglit. Start tayo sa ating 2026 Mitsubishi L300. It retails 1,038,380. And this month of August, naka-zero down payment siya, plus may free 2 months na amortization. And yung kanyang monthly for 5 years is around 21,500. So, kung naghahanap ka naman ng sasakyan na magiging kapartner mo sa negosyo, perfect na perfect si Mitsubishi L300. Next one, ang ating 2026 Mirage G4. Ito guys, isa-isahin ko lang sa inyo yung kanyang variant. Sa ating Mirage GLX manual transmission, it retails 793,000 and ang kanyang all-in down payment is 22,000 and ang kanyang monthly amortization for 5 years is 16,400. At sa atin namang Mirage GLX na automatic, it retails 841,000 and naka-zero down payment to this August and ang kanyang monthly amortization is around 17,400. And last, ating Mirage G4 GLS CVT, it retails 937,000 and ang kanyang down payment is 15,000 all-in down payment. At ang kanya namang monthly amortization is 19,400 for 5 years. So, kung naghahanap ka naman ng budget-friendly, fuel-efficient na sasakyan, perfect na perfect ang ating 2026 na Mirage G4. Next one, ang ating 2025 na Expander. So, isa-isahin ko na lang din sa inyo yung kanyang variant. Sa ating Expander GLX na manual transmission, it retails 1,068,000 and ang kanyang all-in down payment is 24,000. And yung kanyang monthly amortization for 5 years is around 22,100. At sa atin namang Expander GLX automatic, it retails 1,128,000 and ang kanyang down payment is around 23,000 and nasa 23,300 naman ang kanyang monthly amortization for 5 years. And sa ating Expander GLS na automatic, it retails 1,216,000 and naka-zero down payment to for the month of August. And ang kanyang monthly amortization for 5 years is around 25,200. And sa atin naman pong Expander Cross na monotone, it retails 1,346,000 and naka 19,000 all-in down payment to. And yung kanyang monthly amortization for 5 years is around 27,000. And dito naman guys, sa ating 2025 na Expander Cross na two-tone sunrise orange, ito po ay naka-zero down payment for the month of August. And nasa 28,100 ang kanyang monthly amortization for 5 years. And guys, by the way, ito pala yung ating 2025 na Expander Cross two-tone white. So wala kasi siya sa taas kanina. So dito siya naka-display sa baba. It retails 1,371,000 and naka 58,000 all-in down payment to, and yung kanyang monthly amortization for 5 years is nasa around 28,400. So check pa natin kung ano pa yung mga available dito ngayon sa aming dealer. Check natin, hanap tayo ng Montero. So usually kasi si Montero yung pinakamabiling unit dito sa aming dealer. Ito, kay Montero. Sa ating Montero naman, we have Montero Sport GLX na manual transmission. It retails 1,568,000 and naka-zero down payment to for the month of August. And yung kanyang monthly amortization is around 32,500 for 5 years. At sa atin namang Montero Sport GLS Automatic, it retails 1,899,000, naka 79,000 all-in down payment, and yung kanyang monthly amortization for 5 years is around 39,300. And guys, may promo din po ang ating Montero GLS Automatic na free 1 month na amortization. Hanap pa tayo ng ibang unit na meron dito sa amin. Ayun, ang ating 2025 Mitsubishi X-Force GLS. So guys, it retails 1,367,000. Ito po ay naka-zero down payment for the month of August. So nasa around 28,000 to for 5 years. And ang atin naman pong X-Force GT, ang kanyang SRP is 1,581,000. Naka-zero down payment din po ang ating GT variant. And yung kanyang monthly amortization is nasa around 32,000 for 5 years. Ayan. And next, ito ang ating Triton. So, available na po ang ating 2026 na Triton ngayon. So, kung mag-a-avail kayo, year 2026 na po ang available dito sa aming dealer. So, start tayo kay Triton GLX manual transmission. It retails 1,382,000 and ang kanyang down payment is nasa around 102,000. And monthly amortization is around 28,600 for 5 years. And sa ating Triton GLX automatic naman, it retails 1,454,000 and yung kanyang down payment naman is sa around 109,000 and monthly amortization around 43,100 for 5 years. And last, ating Triton GLS automatic naman, it retails 1,655,000 and yung kanyang down payment is nasa around 121,000. And yung kanyang monthly amortization for 5 years is 48,400. So, ngayon kasi guys, medyo nagtaas talaga yung SRP ng ating Triton. So, basically, tumaas din ng ating mga down payment. Unlike kay 2025 year model na medyo abot kaya pa natin yung mga down payment. Ayan. So, ayun guys, tapos na natin maikutan yung mga available unit ngayon dito sa aming dealer. So, sobrang gandang promo ang meron ngayong August. So, if you want to avail any Mitsubishi unit, please do contact me sa aking mga social media accounts na makikita nyo po dito sa screen, or pwede nyo rin po akong kontakin sa aking mobile number na 0985-400-2614, Viber and WhatsApp, pwede na po yan. So, just a quick reminder lang guys, all down payment and discounts na nabanggit ko is possible pa rin na mabago, depende sa ating mga bank approval. So, some of you were asking kasi na bakit magkakaiba yung down payment na sinasabi namin sa actual na approval. Syempre po magkakaiba po ng bangko ang pwedeng ma-approvean kayo. So, per bank, may kanya-kanya po silang promo, may kanya-kanya rin pong rate. So, possible talaga na may changes tayong mababago. So, para lang din guys na may idea kayo kung bakit minsan is hindi nagtutugma yung down payment na sinasabi namin sa actual bank approval. So, ayun lang guys. So, if you want to avail any unit, please do contact me lang po. Bibigyan ko po kayo ng magandang discounts and freebies once na nag-avail kayo sa akin through in-house financing. So again, this is Ali from Mitsubishi Peak Motors, Jose Abad Santos, Manila. So ayun lang guys, and I hope to see you here sa aming dealer. Ingat, follow for more. Bye!
Note: monthly amortization, promos, and down payment is subject to change based on different bank rates and approval. Thank you.